I need 10W30. Yep. With the oil.
Hey mate, we're on our way now. Alright buddy.
We're gonna just go to Woolworths in the morning.
Well, I don't know what time that... Yeah, we can. It's up to you. We'll get the booze now anyway while we're here. It's the most important thing.
Yeah, it is.
Where it is...
What, engine oil?
Oil. It'll be in there. 10W30 is what they said you need.
Yeah, Posse gave me one that was for 4-stroke engines. Oh, that's... Hold on, the picture Posse sent me that Bunnings has is this one right here. This one. Looking for Ozito, this blue one.
This is what you need. 4-stroke.
10W30.
10W30 semi-sync.
Is that fucking expensive?
But that's a fucking ton of it, mate. You can't see any Ozito branded oil here.
I don't see Ozito anywhere either. It's probably my best bet then, eh?
Yeah. Grab it.
Because I'm going to go through that. Yeah.
$2.
Might as well get 2 of them. Because I need one for the oil and one for the gas.
That'd be better for the gas, this one? Or...
Probably that one. I don't want that one. What else is in there? Gas. Or
oil.
This will be gas. Black will be oil. Because it's a smaller hole. Yo, Posse, you here? This is 4-stroke 10W30 right here.
That's the one.
I think this is the one we need to get, right?
Get ready.
Let's try super. Hey, can we go to super cheap or no?
What?
Posse says super cheap is probably way cheaper.
Let me just look now.
It's like $2. It's not. Just like I'm super shit out of. How do you drain the oil? I gotta drain it into a bottle. I gotta pour it out. It sucks. I gotta pour it into a pan or something. I should change the oil on it tonight. Actually, when we get back.
What's it called?
4-stroke.
4-stroke. Same price, man.
$34.
Yeah, let's get
that. Same. All right, cool. Is it 4-stroke?
Chair I can fit on.
I don't know. That's what Posse said. I'm not sure.
Finally a chair I can fit on.
Is that generator 4-stroke?
It's just 4-stroke.
I was curious. Yeah, you can fit on that chair. That's built for you, bro. God damn, I know. $50 for paradise. Yeah, no. But I could use this oil forever. Nobody working. Oh, she just opened it. Are you open over here now? Awesome. Thank you. How are you?
Good, and you?
Well, I'm the best day of my life. Thank you.
That's good.
I got 2 of these. And do you need to check my bag too?
Yes, please.
No worries.
Where are you from?
Nebraska. Cornfields and stuff like that. All farmers.
You've been here for a while, though, haven't you?
I've been here, yeah. Pick my bag up. Yeah. I do, I'm here on an entertainer's visa. So I make videos and show everybody how awesome Australia is.
61.20.
Cheers. What time are you guys open till on Fridays?
9 o'clock.
9.
Always Monday to Friday. We shut at 9 at night.
Okay. I just got a sign. Thank you.
How long are you over here for?
Hopefully I'm on a bridge visa right now, but I'm applying for an 18-month extension.
Okay.
So I'll take Highway 1 and live out of my car for like a year and drive all around Australia. Try to show everybody how beautiful Australia is. while experiencing it for the first time because I pretty much stay in the bay for the most part. But
Alright, thank you.
have a good day.
You too, bye-bye.
Oi, can you grab these? Oh, your receipt's flying away.
Thank you.
Cheers, have a good day. Thank you. See you later, smoked out. Have a dope day. Little donations. I run a donate goal. I'll start a donate goal tomorrow. I've been trying not to have a donation goal for as long as I can. I made it 2 weeks. Huh?
What?
Oh, I thought you said something. Kilfang is the man, though. Okay, we got oil. Let me just double check this fucking list. Hold on. Wet wipes, big jug of water, shovel for pooping. I have that. Yo, when you talk to Bud, will you have him bring over my Hercules recovery kit in the refrigerator? Everything else is stuff I can buy at Woolworths. All right, we're good to go now, mate. Oh shit, Kilfang raided us. Dude, I don't even know why the speaker didn't go off. Kilfang, thank you for the raid, man. God, dude, every fucking day Kilfang in there balling out. Every motherfucking day, yeah. I go hard every motherfucking day, yeah. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna go home, smoke a cigarette and play with some fucking oil and gas, bro. Get that Jenny running.
Yeah, still around the side, eh?
Yeah, I'll find like a little, I'll go in the shed and I'll find a pan to dump out the oil. I'll just put new oil in it. It's probably old anyways.
You might have some other 10x30 oil somewhere at the house. It's, better to not open that one until you need it, you know?
Actually, I think I do have 10W. Actually, no, I poured the 10W30 in fucking Vape's truck. All I got is like 20W50.
That's probably where it fucking came from.
20W60.
That's probably where that oil came from.
Yeah, it was the generator.
Yeah.
I remember we had 10W30. I put that in his truck. Toilet paper. Yeah, I'm gonna bring toilet paper and wet wipes. Knife, fork, spoon, cooking utensils. Yeah, I got all that stuff at home. Well, most of it. We'll just make an early trip to Woolies tomorrow.
Yeah, mate. Or we can go after.
We can do that too, because I'm close to like 8, right?
Fucking 9, probably. 8, 9.
Fucking 9, cunt. Let's go.
Crazy to drive us.
Some people are telling me like that
Off the strap.
I should put a new spark plug in there.
Probably, but you're not gonna. So, Anthony is getting angry.
Where can I buy a spark plug for?
Fuck, mate. I mean, you'll be fine. Fucking who cares?
They had them right above the oil. I fucked up. You can always go tomorrow. We'll see. I'll just get the generator running today. Don't be afraid to use oil. You're driving on the wrong side of the road. No, we're on the left side of the road, mate.
What about gas? Barbecue gas?
Shit, that's what we should have took the fucking Bunnings, mate. Should I bring a large tank over there?
Yeah, I would.
Do you have any full large tanks?
I might have one full one. I think it's the one on the barbecue. I think is pretty much full. You can have that.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna have a packed house tomorrow, bro.
But that's gonna last you fucking ages, mate.
Will the little one get me by a week?
Just take both. I don't give a fuck homes.
I'll just take. Oh, yeah, we got Uncle Dan's.
Yeah.
Fucking.
And we got to
hell.
get home because Anthony's. I promised him I would let him play with the kids across the road. And now he's Disappointed.
How long until we send you off? We're going.